What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today, we pushing Grandma Nana around, man. I'm gonna pull up on Cuzo if he at the house. Either way, I'm going down there, man. I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna bust some block. Like I said, I don't have no destination. I'm just gonna get some road time on it, which I've been driving down there for the past 2 days. I ain't even cut the camera on. I just been enjoying it. I literally been daily driving this car. I told wifey, man, when it come from showtime, I'm daily driving. I have been daily driving this car. I ain't touched none of the other ones. I've been daily driving it, man. And like I said, the plan is I gotta get the AC working, which I'm hoping it ain't nothing but a recharge. So the plan is to do that within the next few days, get it going. And the rear end, we're about to get the rear end going. Rick gonna do that within the next 2 or 3 days. No more than 3 days, it'll have the rear end in it. What else we finna do to this car? I got the transmission in, new custom style converter. I done did some more stuff to it too, but already. But like I said, I'm gonna disclose everything in the end. But today we just gonna drive this thing, man. This thing rides so good, especially with the new tires on it and everything. And I done corrected what I need to correct. Cause it don't get me wrong now. It look nice, it run nice, but it's some stuff that needed addressing. And it's still some stuff that need addressing. So I'm just chipping away at it. A little at a time, man. I'm just enjoying the process on this one. Instead of just jumping all on it, getting it done at one time, like I be trying to do mostly everything else. I was in Dolo yesterday. I've been driving these things, man. I just didn't cut the camera on, man. I just took me a couple days. I said, you know what? I ain't thinking about no camera. I ain't grabbing no camera. I just been driving this daily. Then I hopped in Dolo for a little bit yesterday evening. Pushed it around on the radios and stuff. So then look what came in. Look what came in, man. Yes indeed. They came in today. I need these. They right on time. Cause I gotta get some testing done. I'm finna make a couple changes. And then see if they gonna be for the better or for the worse. So I got the new tires in, and this gonna help. This definitely gonna help. Traction too. I can play with this. Y'all see, I run a thicker profile tire. This is a 25 series tire, but it's the same brand, Haida or however you say it. But it's a thicker profile. This is 25 series. Some of the tires will be a smaller profile than that, but we got them. I'm gonna keep 2 of these. I'm probably gonna keep the 2 front tires. Now I can't. No, the back rim bigger, I think. If I remember right. I can't remember. But either way, now I'm tripping. I'm gonna keep these 2 tires. They the same. I'm gonna keep these 2 front ones for some spare back ones. So I'm gonna keep those. Y'all know what? I can't keep the front ones cause the front one, the one peeling. I'm gonna keep the 2 back. So they came. It'll probably be a couple days before I go get them put on. As soon as I get these tires put on, I'm gonna reset my suspension. Since I ran on the radios, I already know what time it is. I think I got a handle on. I know what it is, man. I have to tell y'all. I know what it is. Reason it was and it wasn't running out of fuel up top. That wasn't the problem. It was not running out of fuel up top, but I found it cause I did some testing. Like I said, I do a lot that I just don't record, man. I didn't record none of that. But I did some testing. I found the issue. It's nothing. So I've been moving. Like I said, I've been moving. Like my people in the BCG Hangout have been saying, I have been moving, man. I've been trying to make a lot of stuff happen. But it's all gonna come together like a puzzle, and then I'm gonna show y'all. And it's just gonna be magnificent, trust me. So I'm finna turn the GoPro on, finna hop in this thing, man, get in the heat. Even in the daytime, man, I'm gonna roll the window down, old school ride. I'm gonna roll the window down, enjoy the day, and we finna hit the road.
Gassed up, fill the tank up. I've been taking the gas mileage on this thing. It's decent. It ain't R&B. R&B be killing it. R&B still got the record for work gas mileage out the whole fleet. But I filled it up. I filled it up the other day. I've been driving 3 days. This is the 3rd day, man. So it lasted 3 days. I did the 4th day, I think. But anyway, it lasts about 3 days, 2.5 gas, and I've been riding. So we're gonna see how it do, cause this is a longer trip. I'm gonna be done drove. So we're gonna see how it do gas mile a while. Temperature immaculate. Like it won't touch 160. Barely touch 150 sometimes. It won't even touch 160. We in the heat of the day, it's like 80, 89, 88, something like that. See, I'm gonna tell y'all exactly. And on the highway, oh man, it's over here run, boy, 85 degrees. I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man. Gotta see what wife on.
Alright, y'all, we take it in, man. Look who popped up on, man. My little bro. Y'all remember him, man? Big man with the L10, man. Alright, shout out my boy Mike. This over here is clean, man. Like I said, when I seen Mike had 22s on the door, them 60s said this. Oh, give me motivation to go on put mine up there, man. This over here tough. Y'all see both L150. So look. Tell me this ain't clean. It's clean, man. I like that grill right there. Blacked out grill, man. I love this model L150, man. 2011 to 2013. So he'll clean. Man, he make me, boy, I want to go and put a little mine up. You got the light back there behind the wheel. Make me want to go on little mines up too. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. Go show us some love. Yes, sir. Hey, you clean, Mike, for real. I'll tell you on camera too, they clean. I already told him. I like the truck. Yes, sir. Had to show him some love on camera, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him. This Instagram, right?
Instagram, Snapchat,
Instagram,
TikTok,
everything.
everything.
Man, y'all go follow him, show him some love, man. He's solid for real. So y'all know I ain't putting anybody on camera. Y'all know that. Clean boy. Said everything go well. He'll be at the birthday cookout, so y'all come see this in person for yourself. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man. Y'all see it, man. Pulled up on Cuzo. Y'all make sure y'all go follow the YouTube. Little Crazy Whips Addiction. Stop by AutoZone. I might as well get this. The window switch, man. This the only thing on the inside messed up. You know, that one broke. But they said a switch, so I got that. Then you know the cover, so I just gotta take the top door panel piece off. We'll pop it off, then we'll replace that. And we'll be immaculate right there. Shit, man, just been cruising, man. Put some miles on it. I told you I've been daily driving old Nana, man. Daily driving. If I have to go somewhere, I hop in this. That's what I've been doing, man. Then y'all seen, man, shoot, I was out there. I was supposed to been over here, man. Get who pulled up. Cuzo. A big man popped up on me.
Yeah.
Who's out there chit-chatting a long time, man. Yeah. So he, man, y'all gonna want to come to the birthday cookout call. He probably gonna debut a truck. Y'all gonna want to see that. Y'all gonna see that, man. He got it coming. I hope it finished. But y'all gonna see that, man. Y'all, the truck, you go back on the vlog, the one that I told for him, man, y'all gonna wanna see that. Wanna hear it too. So shoot, I'm finna kick it over here with Cuzo for a little bit. Gonna kill him some time, cause I gotta go back. I gotta put some back brakes on my father-in-law truck. But I'm gonna do that in the evening, like when it done cool down and all that. Put some back brakes on, and then I might take the kid to the park and stuff in the evening too, cause I had told him I might take him if I get time. I told him yesterday. But yeah, man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned.
Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see I'm still rolling. Man, I've been everywhere. I've been rolling, man. I just dropped Cuzo off back at his car. Yeah, go pick his car up somewhere, and I'm gonna head back to the house. I got some business to handle now. Some business just popped up, so I'm gonna head back down the road, man. We're gonna take the interstate route this time. Now they joke here fly on the interstate. I'm telling you, boy, they joke here straight fly, man. I can't wait to have them 2 tires pulling though. So we finna head down the road, man. Get back. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So y'all see we sitting in traffic. Still running cool as I don't know what, man. Sitting in traffic. I look like an accident that happened over here. So getting some love on the interstate too. So man, I got a lot of love today in this car, man. White, black, all races, man. Keep it that V6 look. Hit that key. Everybody mouth. Hey, man, I love it. Love it, man. Grandma Nana, man. Like I said, real street car. Love it, man. Sitting in traffic. I'm gonna be blowing snowballs. Soon. So see, we can slide past the little accident, man, and see what it do. Hope whoever involved, hope they good and all that. So.
All right, y'all, I'm checking in. So I'm just getting to the house. Y'all see, I done rode from sun up to sundown, for real. As soon as I got to the house, I had to leave. I was chilling over Cuzo house, but then I said I had to handle some business because somebody wanted to buy the heads, the old big block heads off of Meach. So I had to come and handle that business. I had to grab the heads, then take off again, driving. And I literally, like I said, I've been in Grandma Nana all day, man. And I done been daily driving the car for real. It 2-3 days I ain't even record for y'all to see. So I really been driving the mess out of this car. And people be like, you love the car, Jay. I do. I told y'all, man. Y'all, people got to understand, and I had to know that I love Regals. Cause Grand National is my dream car. Regal and Grand National is the same body style, you know, except the Grand National got a certain few details that the Regals don't, but they're the same base. Y'all see what I'm saying? So I don't think they were hard to put together that I like Regals. Like, Regals are my favorite G-body. I don't think they were hard to put together. Just like, I don't think it's hard to put together. S10 is my favorite truck. Another one of my dream cars is a Cyclone. I just ain't never said that. On Cyclone truck, and they more rare than a Grand National. So I ain't just really pursued trying to get my hands on one. They always been steep. They call more than Grand Nationals. Them jokers steep. Them Cyclones steep, but they're just a one of a kind, man. That's history, American muscle history to me. One of a kind truck. So, like I said, of course, I like this car. When I first saw it, when I first saw the car online and I seen this joker on them baskets, I was like, oh boy, that's it. I said, that's it. I could tell the paint ain't perfect, but I was like, man, that's it. Interior nice. I said, that's it. OG clean, that's what I want. I want one of them OG clean. I'm gonna have 3 Regals. The only cars I'm gonna have multiple of is the box Chevys and Regals. Cause box Chevy my favorite B-body. But I'm gonna have this Regal Limited, and then I'm gonna have a T-top Regal, And then that's the one I'm really gonna go in on, like I did Dolo, like on that type of level. And then I'm gonna have the Grand National. I'm gonna have them 3. But when I saw this, I said I got to have it. I got to have it, man. I already knew what I was gonna do with it and everything. I know I already had a plan before I even bought it. I like, man, I'm finna buy that. And I went and got it, and I'm gonna execute my plan, man. I told you I'm gonna drive the mess out of this joke. I'm gonna drive it every day. And I'm to the point. I'm to the point where I don't even want to put no rims on it. I don't even want to put no rims on it, man. I'm probably gonna even change my gear that I have currently, cause I don't want to put no rims. If I don't put no rims on it, I ain't putting that gear in there. That gear I got rough on the 14. I'm telling you, it is rough on the 14. But I gotta have a posse. They give you that lunch, man. I got to have a carrier in here. They give you that little. So, but I don't even want to put no rims on it. It just clean, cause see my T-top I'm gonna get now. Ain't no question to add. I'm going in on the T-top. I'm gonna go in on this, but the T-top, when I say go in on, that's the one that, you know, I go to doing little details and different paint, like custom paint, like I do Dolo and all that type stuff. This right here gonna be OG clean. So, like I said, when I get the T-top, that's the one I'm gonna do, and then put a show no motor in there, which I'm gonna do that too. But that's the one. So that's why I like, man, this one. And I'm gonna put rims on the T-top, obviously. I ain't putting nothing on Grand National. They're gonna be all original, unmolested. But this right here, I want to keep it sleeper look like that. Like I fooled somebody in the gas station. They saw it, and then when I crunk it up, they were like, man. They said, man, I ain't expect that car to sound like that and stuff. So it fooled people and all of that. But yeah, man. All in all, it was a good day. Like I said, handle some business on the heads. What I'm gonna do for the guy is I'm gonna look into get him repaired at his expense. You know, I just told him when I do business, I do stuff straight up and down, man. And I'll tell them they probably need repair. I gave them some numbers of what it might cost and stuff, and I gave them the numbers of what it'll be if I actually repair them. You know, I don't undercut people or stuff, man. I don't do under the table stuff like straight up and down. But I told him I would take them back, cause he was like, man, I don't have the resources like that. I said, well, if you want to purchase them, I said I will use my Connect and get them repaired at your expense and tell you what it'll cost or whatever. And you know, you can make your decision on whether you want to do an entire valve job or just fix that little spot, which is what I would do. You know, I was gonna do, I should say, is fix that spot, and that's it. But yeah, all in all, man, good day. Like I said, I'm gonna drive this every day. So tomorrow I'm gonna be driving again. If it's raining, I'm gonna drive it. I'm driving it every day. Especially right now, they ain't got no rain in and stuff, man. Just one tire, so it is what it is. But yeah, man, rain be coming. Rain will be in 3 to 4 days, and I think they're gonna wrap this up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.